Going ahead, we all see him play different roles and always there as a mentor to help everyone. In the form of an administrator, in the form of a mentor, and here as the ISPL core committee member, and of course, the honorary treasurer of the BCCI. May I invite on stage Advocate Ashish Shekhar. Whenever we talk about a league, whenever we talk about a concept, you need someone to execute it to perfection. Right from the smallest of things to the biggest of things. And that is where you need someone to run it in the right way. May I invite on stage the League Commissioner of the Indian Street Premier League and the Apex Council member of the Mumbai Cricket Association, Mr. Suraj Samant. Yes, and then may I invite and have the honor of inviting, when we had the first season, they emerged as the champions. And in this season, they'll go as the defending champions. The co-owners of Tigers of Kolkata, Mr. Saif Ali Khan and Mrs. Kareena Kapoor Khan on the stage. And a big round of applause for all our dignitaries on the stage where we are here to take the day and the Super Sunday ahead. We spoke about season 1. मैंने आपको बताया कि वो सीजन कैसा था, आपने ये भी देखी और जिसमें हमने कहा कि एक revolution था, एक evolution आया that broke down the walls and the barriers literally where we made that transition from street to stadium. 18 लाख से ज्यादा registrations first season में, 96 दमदार players, 6 जबरदस्त teams और एक amazing tournament, the Indian Street Premier League. And as they say in commentary, the ISPL literally hit it out of the park in its maiden season. It was not just a success, it was a resounding success, and it is now a movement where everybody wants to be a part of it. Let's have a look at what exactly that season was in the form of an AD.
Indian Street Premier League T10.
एक बहुत अच्छी अपॉर्चुनिटी है एक अच्छे स्टेज पे जाके परफॉर्म करने की। मेरा बचपन का सपना पूरा हो जाएगा। वही है कि जरूर I wish that would change my whole life.
Today we are going to unveil the winning prize, the name of the co-owners of the Indian Street Premier League. Like the Lulu, owned by Hrithik Roshan, now co-owned by KVN Enterprises LLP, Mr. Michael Thane. The Mumbai, owned by Mr. Amitabh Bachchan, co-owned now Watt Limited, Mrs. Niti Agarwal. Then the Hyderabad, now co-owned by INR Holdings at 200 crores, Mr. Irfan Razak. Co-owners of Team Chennai, Mr. Rajdeep Gupta and Mr. Sandeep Gupta. Team Kolkata, now co-owned by the AGVPL Group, Mrs. Aksha Kamboj.
There's so many registrations that we have to very quickly, keep the selection process going.
After the street to the stadium, we are part of ISPL. The revolution is everyone.
सारे रजिस्टर्ड प्लेयर्स में से 101 प्लेयर ISPL देने जा रहा है। 101 स्कॉलरशिप के साथ 1 लाख रुपए की स्कॉलरशिप।
सभी गोल्डन टिकट होल्डर्स को मैं देने जा रहा हूँ फैमिली कार्ड, जिसे आप सारे मैचेस फ्री में देख पाएंगे, वो भी स्टेडियम में।
सभी गोल्डन टिकट होल्डर्स को ISPL ये ब्रांड दे रहे हैं।
What an absolute magical last 10 days we've seen. We promised you street to this stadium, and have we delivered? We've seen the emergence of new stars, and this is a true platform to celebrate cricket, which is at its best. Celebrations continues as we find our first champions, the Tigers of Kolkata.
Can we have